to Hyphen programming, and today we're going to learn what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used in every single web page in the internet and everywhere. And I'll show you. So first we're going to go to sublimetext.com. And we're going to go down to download at the top, and if you're on Windows you'll click Windows here, or Linux or Mac for OS X, and on Mac so I'll click here. It's going to take some time to download, and but I've already got it, so I'm just going to go here and Sublime Text. Here we go. Alright. So, once you've downloaded it, open it, like I have done, and do Command Save if you're on Mac, or Control S, and we're going to save it as index.html, and we're going to save it in, I'm going to put it in my folder and create a new folder called Learn HTML Lesson 1. I'm going to save it there. Now that I've got it in there, I'm going to do this. Oh, by the way, every HTML document must end in .html. And everything here, these are called tags. These little things, characters, I don't know what they're called. And this is an opening tag. And that is a closing tag. You can see there's a little backslash at the front for the closing tag, and in between these two tags you put your content, and I'm going to go body, so that's where my content will go, and then I'm going to go H1. H1 is basically header 1, so I'll say hello world, and let's go to our folder and go to where we saved it and click on there. It comes up as hello world, and if we go H2 and click enter, we go hello world, click save, and then reload the page. It gets smaller, so let's say I went down to all the way down to H5. I go hello world. Oh, sorry, backspelling. And it's real small, you can see it just down there. And you can even go P, and that is just normal text. P stands for paragraph. I'll show you. Hello world. And as you can see, it's a bit bigger than the H5, and if we do small, which you guessed it, makes it go real small, you go hello world, and it goes even smaller. Alright, so now that we've done that, we can see that I don't really like it, how it says index.html, and I kind of want my own thing, so we're going to create, so between the HTML opening and body opening, we're going to do the header tag, and there. So we've made the header, and we're going to want to do title. So title, basically, we'll change the name up here to what we want, and I'm going to change it to I'm learning HTML. And as you can see, it comes there. And if you try to H1, if you try put it in a text tag, so these are called text tags, and it's what you write text in. You can do like that, but you're not really supposed to. And oh yeah, it's just reminding you, don't have to purchase this. It is a trial, and it's a you can have it as long as you want, and you don't have to pay. Yeah, see, you don't do that, and you don't do that. See, it just comes up as that. You don't do that. It won't work. Now, what we're going to do now is learn to link to other pages. So we're going to go A, and then href, and then press enter, and then you can only see this only a opening tag, but that is okay. We do this, and then backslash, and then see, we got the closing tag. So I'm gonna, so you put your link in here, so let's say https, so I'm gonna put Google's in, google.com, and I'm gonna say click here to go to Google. And as you see, it's blue, so it means it's a link, and it's taking me to Google. Alright, and that's kind of not very cool, so I want it to look a lot cooler. So what I'm going to do is delete all of this, don't worry, and then you do that little funny tag thing, and then you go type in HTML and press enter, and then it comes up all for you. Alright, now we are going to do hello on my first web page. See, my first web page, there's no content in the body. So what we're going to do now is create a div. So div, and then ID, and then let's say HTML. That's going to be the div name, and then you put the div closing tag. It's going to spread it out. So that's the div closing tag, and that is the opening one. And you'll see what I mean. Now we want to go Command N or Control N, and then for a new file, and then press Command S or Control S, and we're going to say style.css. Now, we have created a CSS page. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Languages. So Cascading Style Sheets and Hypertext Markup Languages. Alright, so now, we're going to do, so we've made it a div ID. So ID would be, we do HTML, because that's what it is. So the hashtag represents the ID, and a class is a dot. But we are doing div ID. So what I mean by class is div class. Same thing, but yeah, we're just going to use div ID, and then we're going to make h1 hello. Alright, so we've put some text in our document, but yeah. Oh, and before we do this, we need to link it. I should have done that first, sorry. So link it means we're going to link the two so that it will respond to what I put in my CSS sheet. And I'll just type in style.css. Make sure they're all in the same folder. And I'll I'm going to go text align, and that's going to like tell me where I want it. So I'm going to go right, and it's all the way over there, and I'm going to go center, and it's going to go center, and I'm going to make the colour of the text white. You can't see it, but it's still there, so that's going to be a bit of a problem, you know. So we're going to go background colour, and we're going to make it black. See, that's a bit unfashionable, so we're going to go width. So that's going to change, let's say 150 pixels. Oh, and the equivalent to a tag, CSS pages do not have tags. They have to have a semicolon at the end. It still works, but it won't work for your next command. I'll show you. See, it won't work. None of it will work. You have to have a semicolon at the end. Now that's 150, we could probably make that 350 because we want it a bit bigger. And align items. Oh, right, that didn't work, so we'll just do height. So we're going to make it, how high do we want it? I'm going to say 100 pixels. We want it too big. There we go. And now we're going to go, make it normal text, and we're going to make it say, what do we make it say? So what you can also do is in Sublime Text, instead of like, you can test with text, so you type in Lauren, then it'll come up with that. It's pretty cool. And it just generates a lot of text. See, we want it auto height, and instead we're going to change that to auto. See, and automatically. How about we also change that to auto? See, and we can make that. But if we do want that, we just do that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it doesn't do much, that Google Translate. It might get in the way a bit. Oh, and we don't want that. That won't be good. Now, no, I don't want that. Alright. So, let's just get rid of that tab. Now, I'm going to make down here, and let's say you like feel like it's gathered up too much and you kind of want it to like go down a bit. So what you're going to do is press BR, and it'll push a line down. So BR means break, and it doesn't need a closing tag. Some tags are self-closing, meaning they just close automatically. They just close on their own, and you don't need to do anything about it. And just going to make it down there. And I'm going to make a link. So remember, it was a href. And then I'm going to go https google.com. You're probably thinking why I have to do the https. Well, I'll show you. Oh. I'll show you. So, works there, and that's good. But I'll show you. It doesn't work on all it won't work on all devices or browsers. See, it thinks the Google link is to another page, which you can do. You can link to another page. Let's say other page, .html. Remember, it has to have .html or it will not work. We go hello other page. Let's go and other page, and this is not going to work, and I will show you why. Oh, it's other page, but we have, so what's wrong? We didn't put the .html. Even when you're linking to another page, you have to put the .html. Go to other page. There you go. Over there. Works. And don't forget to check out my website. I'll put it in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Also, check out our website. It has tons of courses. And don't forget, join the blog at hyphenprogramming.blogspot.com.